Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I have something very special. This is a collaboration piece between UGG from Australia and the Bathing Ape. As you can tell from this box, this is a shoe, and this was released like 2 months ago, I think in March or April, something like that, of this year, 2019. And of course, UGG of Australia is famous for making like fashionable boots, winter boots made of sheepskin, and this piece or this pair of shoes are no different. Okay, let's get straight into it. So this is the box that it comes in. Very simple box. You got the UGG branding and the Bathing Ape right there. Okay, it's a pretty simple box. Then you got the tags right here from a Bathing Ape. It says brown. This is actually a Bapesta shoe, as you can see later on. Got it in a size US 11. Retail price $28,000, so it's about $280 US, something like that. But I believe in the US it goes for like almost $350 or $400. Resale price is about $500 if I'm not mistaken. Now this is a Bathing Ape tag, the item code UGG Star Bape, okay, M2, and this is actually the picture of the shoe. Not sure if you can see this, but yeah, there you go. So there's a picture of the shoe. US size 11, UK 10, EU 44, Japan 29. Alright, so anything on the size, pretty simple box, Alright, here you got something else. This is the price tag, and again, picture of the shoe right there. So let's slide it open. Goes all the way. Simple tissue paper right there. And just for your information, these are my first pair of UGG shoes. Never really bothered with winter shoes, but the collaboration with Bape recently, I thought might as well try and pick these up and show you guys. Let's have a look. Straight away, it's got that dad vibe kind of design with a huge midsole right there. But I really like the color, the brownish color, the winter jacket look. It's very nice, and you can see the sheepskin all around, the iconic Bapesta logo right there. Pretty simple. It's just that the upper is made of this leatherish, very nice brown leather. You can see here the ape camo, ape head right there, the Bapesta shoelace tag, or whatever you call it, and of course you got that comfy sheepskin, 100% authentic sheepskin with the UGG branding on the outside. Very soft. No, I wouldn't say very soft, but it's got that mushy kind of midsole. Underneath you got that dents here, or should I say kind of markings to give you that extra traction. It's got that sticker right here. What does it say? Spill, seam and top collar and top tongue using 100% wool. Right? Lining, backing 100% polyester, UGG Pure. This product contains UGG Pure wool. Alright, for more information, this is a patented product. Oh man, my pronunciation is off the charts. Then you got the UGG branding on the outsole. Very nice. Got a dual color look, the white and the brown color. Very nice. Let's look on the inside. Very thick. See the shoelaces. Is there any special engraving right there? Nope. Pretty simple. On the upper, on the tongue itself, anything special? Nope. On the insole, you get the Bape UGG branding right there, and this feels quite soft. Very nice. It goes all the way to the back, heel area, and anything else inside. Got this thingy here, recyclable stuff. Oh, and you got some paperwork. Yeah, there you go. So you got some UGG branding paperwork in Japanese, of course. Right here as well, probably the warranty card, CARES information and all that. And you got the specialized UGG Bape card with the special brown first camo colorway. What does it say here? The Japanese streetwear brand Bape gained a cult following, blah blah blah. Its bold print, striking graphics, updates UGG bestsellers with Bape's distinctive design. Yep, definitely a very unique design, following from the Bapesta, what do you call that, design. Taper on with this thick sole. I don't think that UGG has ever produced a sneaker based wool product, so this would be the first ever product from this collaboration and first time from UGG. Right there. Should I just move the box? Is there anything else? So you got that paper thing there, divide the shoe. You have the ABC Camo colorway inside the box as well, which is a nice touch. And I think, oh wait, hang on. The t-shirt actually has some camo print on it, just a vague white camo-ish against a white backdrop as well. So it's really not so obvious, but it is there. Alright, let's move it to the side. Check that out. Let's zoom in further. So the Bape camo, the Bape heads are slightly different, which is good. You don't want a replica copy of both sides. Check that out. Very nice lace tags here, chrome finish. Overall, very nice. Stay tuned for the on-feet review and my thoughts on the comfort, the sizing, and I think on the look itself, you can tell that it's going to give you a boost in terms of your height, for sure, at least a few inches, judging by the huge midsole. So UGG branding on the outside here, which is really nice. Definitely for the winter, not so much for the summer, but you know, according to Google, sheepskin is quite well known to have to be very breathable, so you actually can wear this during spring, summer seasons. Alright, no one's gonna blame you for that. So overall, very nice shoe. Very overpriced in my opinion, but then again, it is UGG. It is a kind of high-end fashion brand from Australia. Look at how thick this is. Okay, right up to the toe area, man. I'll probably rock this in my next trip to Japan, but only during the autumn or winter seasons. Alright, check out the lookbook after this. So guys, hope you like the on-feet section. So my first impressions of this shoe is that in terms of comfort, it's incredibly comfortable. It's amazing. I think it's on par with Boost. It's definitely got that bounce. It absorbs shocks very well. I mean, granted, look at how thick the midsole is. It's amazing. I'm very surprised by the comfort level, by how squishy it is and how bouncy it feels. It's really amazing. In terms of the fit wise, go through the size. I'm normally a US 11 and 11.5. Fits great. On the inside, it feels great as well. It doesn't irritate or kind of scratch my skin. I mean, this sheepskin is amazing. Temperature wise, it's not hot at all. I'm not sweating in the shoe. In fact, I don't have the air conditioning on, but yet it feels great. You know, it doesn't feel like it's cooking my feet inside the shoe. In terms of look, I think it's fantastic. You can't go wrong with the Bapesta design. It's a timeless kind of design. Again, it's quite similar to Nike. It's just that they tag on the star. And the camo wise is very subtle. It's there, but you know, it's more of a UGG leatherish colorway with a few hints of the ape head right there. It's very nice. Fitting wise, goes through the size US 11. It's great. The box itself looks great. Didn't spare any expense with the box, with the first camo brown colorway. To me, it's a very OG retro colorway. Can't go wrong with that. Yeah, the only drawback I think is that it tends to be a bit wobbly when you walk, because of, since it's like sitting on a very high set of heels. You know, you get that feeling that, oh, maybe I might just lose my balance, but it's just a slight hint of that only. But otherwise, I think it's a great shoe. But of course, the resale price is insane. You may or may not want to dive into the shoe, but you know what? In terms of the UGG and Bape collection series, these Bapestas are probably the better piece out of the entire collection. Alright, so these are my thoughts on the UGG Bapesta model. Hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment, and follow me on IG at LKHOE23. I'll probably rock this in Japan very soon. My trip is upcoming, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yep, see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so if you stayed on until the end of the video, this is a bonus section for you guys. I'll be doing a comparison between this UGG Bapesta and the original Bapesta shoe or sneaker. As you can see here, the original sneaker already has quite a thick midsole, but at the heel area, this is clearly a lot thicker than the standard Bapesta. And the star right here is a lot bigger than this one. This one has the tag on the tongue, this one doesn't. This one is made of the canvas material. This is the leather version. The lace locks have that chrome finish on the UGG version. Original is just purely a silver color, nothing chrome about it. Inside you got the Bapesta branding, UGG branding. At the back you got the Stitch Bapesta logo. This one doesn't have it. Of course, underneath you got that nice outsole, give that added traction. This is purely the standard outsole with the star and the R branding, with the Bapesta branding as well. Both are very nice, but again, this one has the iconic ABC Camo green colorway, which is very nice, the most popular color. This one, I think it's going to be my favorite Bapesta sneaker in my collection right now. Not only that, this is definitely far more comfortable than this one. This one it's not, I think in terms of comfort, this isn't nearly as comfortable as this one, alright? Let's put that straight, alright? But again, you wear this to rock your Bape. Not so much for the comfort, whereas this one is very practical, gives you added inches to your height, it's comfortable, it does the job. Summer, winter, autumn, spring, all season long. Great traction. You can't go wrong with this. Alright, hope you liked the video. See ya.